Morning class third. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. I am Shobh Ahmed, your computer teacher. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, more on paint. In this chapter we cover the following topics, that is what is MS Paint, components of paint window, and the last one is tools of paint. So first we have to discuss what is MS Paint. MS Paint is a computer application which help us to draw pictures. In other words, we can say that MS Paint is a program on the computer which help us to draw, color and edit in our picture. Now this is your paint window, and paint is an application software. We use it to draw and color. Just if you want, we want to draw something, we use the paint program, and we have to color also. Now the next slide, that is components of paint window. Components of paint window are, the first one is title bar, paint button, home tab, view tab, ribbon and quick access toolbar. Now we are going to discuss components of paint in detail. Now the first one is title bar. Title bar show the name of the file. When you have to save your file with any name, the name of the file show on the title bar. Title bar is the topmost part of the paint window. Now the next is paint button. Paint button contain that you can use to print option, save and open paint document. If you want to open a new document, just we have to go to the paint button. If you want to if you want to save our file, just we have to go again paint button. Now the next is home tab. The home tab includes the image editing tools that you can use to modify the image. Home tab contains different groups, just like tool group, shape groups, color group. Now the next is view tab. This tab is also give you control over showing boundaries, guides, rules and other layout tools, zooming the size of the paint window. Now move on next slide. Now next one is ribbon. Ribbon displays the group of each of these tabs. Now the next is work area. The drawing area is basically the area where we draw something in MS Paint. Now just look at the figure. This one is the quick access toolbar, and this one is paint button, and this one is title bar, the name of the file, title bar. Now the home tab and view tab. Now this whole part is known as the ribbon, and this one is horizontal bar, this one is vertical bar, and this one is this white area, that is blank drawing area. Now just move on next slide, that is tools of paint. Paint has many tools to help you to draw and edit in your drawing. You can find paint tools in the tools group of home tab. It contains the following tools, that is first one is pencil tool. It is used to draw with freehand as you draw using pencil. Now the next tool is eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase unwanted part of your drawing. Next is text tool, is used to edit text in your drawing. Fill with color tool. This tool is used to fill color in your drawing. Now move on next slide. Now in this slide we are going to explanation of this chapter with the help of video. Just look at that video on paint. That is chapter number 3. In this chapter we are going to discuss how to open your paint program. Here we have two methods to open your paint program. So first we have discussed the first method. Now just click on the star button, then search over here Windows accessories. Here is Windows accessories, just click on it, then click on paint application. this is your paint window. So now next method is you have to type the paint in search box. Just you have to type paint in search box. Just click on paint application. Here is your paint window. Now we are going to discuss component of the paint window. Now the component of the paint window are, the first one is quick access toolbar. The first one is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar provide us with different options which can be click and access easily. Quick access toolbar contain some tools over there, just like save. Next one is undo, and the last next one is redo. When we want to use this tools, just we have to click on that. We have to access easily. Now we are going to discuss the next is title bar. Title bar show the name of the file. When you have to save your file with any name, the name of the file show at the title bar. When you give any name of that file, that show over here. Title bar show the name of the file. Now the next is maximize button. Next is maximize button. If you want to maximize your window, just click on it. Your window will be maximized and go at the taskbar. Now when you want to open this program again, just you have to click on paint program. Now the next is restore done. If you want to restore your window, just click on it. Your window will be shrink away. If you take your window is in its original size, just click on it again. Okay, now the next one is close button. Next one is close button. If you want to close your program, paint program, just you have to click on that button. Now we are going to discuss the ribbon. Ribbon also divided into two parts, that is tabs and the group. The tabs are home tab and view tab. Home tab also contains so many options over there, just like clipboard, images, tools, shapes and colors. Now the view tab also contains a different option, just like different groups, that is zoom, show or hide or display. So just now we are going to discuss the paint button. This is your paint button. Just click on it. When you have to click on it, you have to see the some options over there, just like new, open, save and save as, and paint also. So just we have to discuss about the new. When you want to open a new file, you have to click on that option. You have to use this option. If you want to open already saved file, you have to use this option. If you want to save your file, so just you have to use the save as option. If you want to take the print of your drawing, just you have to use the print option over there. Now just home tab contain just so we are going to discuss about the tool groups. Tool groups contain different tools over there, just like pencil tool. First one is pencil tool, that is fill with color, text tool, razor tool, color picker tool and the magnifier tool. And the next one is brush group. In the brush group we have different types of brushes over there. Some brushes like calligraphy brushes. Next one is calligraphy brush 2. Now airbrush. These are the different type of brushes over here. Now just talking about the shape group. Shape group contain different type of shapes, predefined shapes. Now first one is line tool, curve tool, oval tool. Some more shapes over there. Okay. Now the next is color group. color group contain different color. If you want to fill your fill the colors in your picture, you use a color group over there. Okay, now the next one is size, line size. If you change the line size, you have to choose a size of the line over there. Now this white area is known as the work area or drawing area. We also call that drawing area over there. Now the next, we have two bar over there, that is a horizontal bar and that one is vertical bar. With the horizontal bar we can move our window up and down, and with the help of vertical bar we can move our window left and right. Now the next option is zoom. When we want to zoom out your drawing area, just we have to click on minus sign. The size will be at 50%, and if you want to change the size, increase the size of the drawing area, just you have to click on the plus sign. Okay, now this is the ruler, this is the top ruler, and this one is the left ruler. Now the next we are going to work the view bar. We will also contain the different groups over there. Just zoom option is zoom in or zoom out, or the ruler. If you hide the ruler, just do the click over there. If you remove the if you hide the status bar, just again remove the click over. If you want to glide on your drawing area, just you have to click on guide lines. So these are the different groups in view tab. Now move okay student, thank you. That's all for now. Take a very good care of yourself. Just remember that stay home, stay safe. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz.